Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In my last video, we had discussed about how to handle the drop-down using select class. In this video, we are going to learn how to capture the screenshot using Selenium Web Browser. So to do this, we got to download one special jar file, that is commons.io. So to download this, go to the any web browser and type here as commons.io jar download. You will find the suggestions here. So go to this second link. Here you will be provided with one link to download the jar file. Click on to this. Once it is loaded, go to that jar file and extract that file. And copy that jar file and paste it over here. Just copy that and paste it to the under lib folder. Here I have done already, so I will download that and copy and paste it to my lib folder. Once it is done, right click on this, go to build path. Here you will find add to build path option. Since it is done already, I am not finding here. You will find the add to build path option. Click on to that. Once it is done, you will find the reference libraries here. These are the list of libraries which are in this commons.io jar. These are the files related to the file. This will be related to file operations. And once it is done, just right click on this, go to new, and we got to create one file. Name something else output.png. Since we are going to capture some web page into an image, we are going to create a file. So what we are going to do is copy that, taking the screenshot of any web page and paste it to the desired file. Actually it is under lib folder. So if you go to this, you will find this output. This is for capturing the screenshot. So once these are all done, we are going to create a class file. So right click on this, go to new and go to class. Since it is screenshot topic, I am naming here a screenshot. So simply these system properties and all would be same for all the programs because I am using here the same web driver. We got to give it in under main. Simply type as main and control plus space. You will find the suggestions and you can double click on this main method. So what we are going to do is, I am going to simply get into the Facebook login page and take the screenshot of that web page and save it to my desired file. So this is the web page I am going to take screenshot. So let us get into this. We got to invoke this take screenshot. This is one of the interface in the Selenium WebDriver. We are going to typecast that driver into the take screenshot. Here I am creating a reference for this and I am typecasting this driver into take screenshot. And you will find one exception here, change to take screenshot openqr.org. The same thing we have to give it for this also. So now what we are going to do is we have to capture the web page. So file, I am going to copy some captured web page into the desired folder. So source, let it be yes, is equal to that reference tk dot get screenshot as. This is one of the method which is used to take screenshot output type dot file. We got to import this file.io. This is under IO package. And I'm going to put this also. So once it is done, then we are going to, this is the line of code for taking the screenshot. Just we have took the screenshot and saved that file into this output.png. So file destination, that is D, is equal to new file of the path. We got to give it over here. Simply go to properties and copy this path and paste it over here. Then the file name also we got to give output.png. Just we got took some source and took some destination. Then next step is to copy that source to the destination. So to this file utils is the class which contains copy file method, which is used to copy the file from source to some destination. That is, source would be yes and destination file would be D. We got to handle this exception also. So this is done. We can execute the script. It will get into the Facebook login page. Once the web page is loaded, it will take the screenshot of the web page and save that file into the output.png. You can also check here. Thus the web page, Facebook login web page is took a screenshot and we have copied the web page into a output.png file. So this is an example for capturing the screenshot. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.